Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Wave Accounting, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Wave Accounting, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.waveapps.com and press enter. Once the Wave homepage loads, look for the sign up button. Click on the sign up button in the top right corner of the screen. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email address and create a strong password. Make sure to follow any password requirements indicated. After entering your information, click on the Get Started for Free button. Next, you will receive a confirmation email from Wave. Open your email inbox and find the confirmation message from Wave. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. Once confirmed, return to the Wave website. You will be asked to enter some additional details about your business. Fill in your business name and select your business type. Next, choose your business location from the drop-down menu. After entering your business details, click on Continue. Now you will set up your account preferences. Select the currency you want to use for your transactions. Fill in any other requested information based on your business needs. Once complete, click on the Finish button. You will be directed to your Wave dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main interface. From here, you can explore various features like invoicing, accounting, and reporting. Congratulations, you are now registered with Wave Accounting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.